Hello YouTube, my name is Jose and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are creating a graphic eyeliner look with the color blue and black. Before we jump into the video, I ask of you all to please leave a thumbs up on the video and to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I highly appreciate it. Now with the introduction segment of the video out of the way, let us jump into the video's tutorial. Hi! So we are taking Maybelline's Master Precise All Day Felt Tip Eyeliner to create a guide, a shape for our eyeliner to fill in later. It's quite fabulous, honestly. It's one of my favorite eyeliners to really ever have. Now here comes the blue. Now for the blue liner, we are taking Suva Beauty's Hydra Activated Matte Eyeliners. Now again, I'm only using the blue because, you know, it's my favorite color. But two things about this product. Suva Beauty's Hydra Matte Eyeliners should be kept away from the tear ducts. Okay? That was my mistake when I first used this product. Secondly, that pertains to this video, create a dotted guide before actually making that liner look. Okay? If you go in free-handed like I did, it ain't gonna look cute. It's not gonna look cute. Okay? Create your dots, connect the dots, and you'll have a fierce liner. Okay? Or not. Or not. Next, both of these products are from NYX Professional Makeup. The first we are using is the Epic Wear eyeliner, and we are using that to fill in the Maybelline's shape guide on our eyelids. And next would be the NYX retractable eyeliner, again in black. We are going to mark our upper lash line with it, and then, if you would like, maybe the outer parts of the lower lash line. And please ensure that your eyeliner is completely dried down. Now, up next is the lips. Now, the products that we are taking are all from Maybelline, from the Super Stay collection. Now, they are not Super Stay, okay? One of them feels tacky as hell, and the other, that crayon that I'm applying right here, right now, that you cannot see apparently because of my mirror, it does not stay. It really does not stay, and it's a pretty color. Sheer as hell, not matte. It is a satin finish. Satin and transferable like a bitch. I don't recommend the crayon. I slightly don't recommend the lipsticks, the matte lipstick, the true matte lipsticks, because of how tacky they feel on the lips. All I'm literally missing is a heavenly aura, bitch. That's all I'm missing. That's all I'm missing. It's just a heavenly aura. Bitch, keep dreaming. And here we are at the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, again, I ask that you leave a thumbs up on the video. To find more of me, you may search JDV unofficial across all social media platforms. Across most social media platforms. My Snapchat is fabulous_JV. Before we close up the video, please feel free to leave a color scheme recommendation in the comment section down below. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me. Again, my name is Jose, and until next time, y'all take care. Bye!